you. Now, one question that I tend to get a lot of is, can I use oil on oily skin? The answer to that is yes, you can. There are a wide variety of oils that you can use on the skin. However, you need to use light oil that will not clog the pores. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you a combination of oils, a blend of oils that you can put together to make an amazing anti-aging oil for oily skin. This blend of oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega, antioxidant, antibacterial properties. They are known to help your skin to look younger, and they will not clog the pores. They will absorb in the skin and just leave your skin looking amazing. So if you're looking for an oil that you can use on your oily skin, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe explaining all the benefits of these amazing oils, show you how to put them together to make your oil blend. So do not click off, continue watching for the recipe. Now, to make our facial oil for oily skin, we are going to use 4 oils. Here we have our 4 oils. Now, the first oil is going to be our carrier oil. Every oil blend that you make need a carrier oil. It's what's going to be the most ingredient in this blend. Next, we're going to use our special oil, and here we have 3 special oils. So to begin, we're going to be using some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light oil that will not clog the pores. It is rich in vitamin C and is also rich in vitamin E. It's an oil that penetrates deep into the skin and would help to keep the skin soft, hydrated, and supple without the greasy feel. So for our carrier oil, which we're going to use the most of, we're going to use about 1/3 of the mixture. So we're using a tablespoon of our grapeseed oil. Another oil that is good is sweet almond oil. It's a good carrier oil for oily skin. So next, we're going to move on to the special oils, and here I have 3. My first oil of choice is oregano oil. Now, oregano oil have antibacterial and antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it great for acne-prone skin. This also have to keep bacteria off the skin, especially if you're a person that touches your skin a lot. It is good for pimples, it's good for blackhead, and most people with oily skin do have these minor skin concerns. So we're going to use about ½ teaspoon of the oregano oil. It's a very strong oil, so definitely do not overuse. So here in our bowl, we have some grapeseed oil and we have some oregano oil. Now let's move on to our other 2 oils. Here I have some papaya seed oil, and papaya seed oil is an amazing oil rich in antioxidant, vitamin A, omega-3. Papaya oil will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will also help to get rid of the hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's an amazing oil to use for oily skin, and it is not a thick oil, therefore it will not clog the pores. A really great oil to use on your skin overall. We're going to use about 1 teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Pour this in. So right now we already have 3 oils. Our carrier oil, which is our grapeseed oil. We have our special oil, which is our oregano oil. And we have our papaya seed oil, which is our anti-aging oil. And now let's move on to my next special oil. Here I have some pomegranate seed oil. It's a rich oil in vitamin C and vitamin E, loaded with antioxidant. If you do not have the pomegranate, you can go ahead and you can use some cranberry seed oil to replace the pomegranate seed. This is an amazing oil that you can use directly on the skin, or you can mix it with other ingredients. A little goes a long way, and look at that, it just blend right into the skin, absorb in the skin, and not leave a greasy feel. And it also have a little hint of a fresh smell, making it great for this. So we're using 1 teaspoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Pour this in. If you're using cranberry seed oil, go ahead and use the same amount. And now we're gonna mix all this oil together. we're mixing grapeseed oil, oregano oil, papaya seed oil, and pomegranate seed oil. Blend and blend well. And now guess what? Our oil blend for oily skin is ready. So we're gonna choose a small container to pour this in. You can also pour this in a spray bottle. Now this oil is not gonna go bad quick. You can have this way up to 6 months, so you can choose to double up on the ingredients and make more. And this is it, your facial oil for oily skin. Now so once you have that oil in your hands, you're going to take the oil and you are going to warm it in your hands like I'm showing here, and then you are going to press it on the skin. Make sure you are pressing it on clean skin, and don't forget to take it down on the neck, on the décolleté. Press that oil in the skin, and then when you apply it, then go back with your hands, or if you have a facial massaging tool, just massage it on the skin. However, if you're short on time, just use your hands and massage your face, and guess what, guys, you're on your way to beautiful looking skin, good for wrinkles and fine lines, and help to keep your skin hydrated, soft, supple, without the greasy feel. And supple. Now I have a tip for you if you have oily skin. The first thing you need to do is to make sure to cleanse your skin twice per day, and you're also going to choose to exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week. It is also vital for you to steam your skin. Once you do that on a regular, this oil will work tremendously on the skin. Remember, we also have the antibacterial properties from the oregano. An amazing oil to use on your skin regardless of your age. Go ahead, whip it up, use it up, and get your skin to look amazing in no time.